There are squeaky things who have creaky wings who would love to sneak up behind me. There are ghosts I know who wherever I go, if they wanted they'd quickly find me. But my dad, he said, they're inside my head, and my fears are all gonna fade. So what am I afraid of? What am I afraid of? There are kids at school who are kinda cruel. They just love to tease and dare me. But I take their dares, take them anywheres, and pretend that their dares don't scare me. If I just refuse, not a lot I'd lose. They're not even kids in my grade. So what am I afraid of? What am I afraid of? I'm not afraid of thunderstorms in the spring. That's kinda lucky. I'm not afraid of garden snakes, though a lot of kids think they're yucky. I'm not afraid of hornets' nests or English tests or household pests, but some things you'd walk right by make me feel I'm gonna cry. There are times I think, if I just don't blink, when those other kids tease and taunt me, if I simply can show I'm my own man, they can try, but they'll never daunt me. Yes, they'll eat their words. I'll show all those nerds of what stuff I'm really made. So what am I afraid of? What am I afraid of? Maybe I'm afraid of only being afraid.